Welcome back to our channel, where we celebrate the beauty of gardening and the art of upcycling. In today's episode, we are excited to share creative ideas on how to repurpose everyday items for your garden. Join us as we explore the world of upcycled gardening and discover how to transform common household objects into functional and decorative elements that will enhance your gardening experience. Segment 1. Repurposed plant containers. In this segment, we'll explore various items that can be repurposed as plant containers. From old buckets and wooden crates to mason jars and tin cans, we'll show you how to give them a new lease on life as charming plant homes. Learn how to drill drainage holes, add a fresh coat of paint, or use decoupage techniques to personalize and beautify these upcycled containers. Discover how these unique planters can add character and style to your garden while reducing waste. Segment 2. Creative seedling starters. Unleash your creativity by repurposing everyday items as seedling starters. We'll explore alternatives to traditional plastic pots, such as egg cartons, yogurt cups, newspaper pots, and citrus rinds. Learn how to prepare these items for seed starting, create a suitable growing environment, and transplant your seedlings when they're ready. Discover the satisfaction of nurturing plants from seed using items that would otherwise end up in the recycling bin. Segment 3. Upcycled garden decor. Elevate the aesthetics of your garden by incorporating upcycled garden decor. We'll share ideas on repurposing items like old ladders, wooden pallets, and vintage windows into unique vertical gardens, plant stands, or trellises. Explore the art of transforming discarded items into functional and eye-catching focal points that add character and charm to your outdoor space. Get inspired to think outside the box and create one-of-a-kind garden features. Segment 4. Resourceful watering solutions. Save water and repurpose everyday objects as creative watering solutions for your garden. From plastic bottles turned into self-watering planters to rain barrels made from old drums or barrels, we'll demonstrate how to repurpose materials to conserve water and support sustainable gardening practices. Discover how these simple yet effective solutions can make a significant impact on water usage while nurturing your plants. Segment 5. Upcycled garden. Art and accessories. Add a touch of whimsy and creativity to your garden with upcycled garden art and accessories. We'll showcase ideas such as repurposing broken ceramics into mosaic stepping stones, transforming old garden tools into decorative sculptures, or creating wind chimes from discarded silverware. Discover how these upcycled pieces can inject personality into your garden and spark conversations among visitors. As we conclude this episode on upcycled gardening, we hope we've inspired you to look at everyday items in a new light and explore their potential for your garden. By repurposing and upcycling, you can reduce waste, embrace creativity, and infuse your outdoor space with unique touches. Join us in our next episode, where we'll continue to explore sustainable and innovative gardening practices. Happy upcycling in your garden.
Thanks for watching.